Hi, I'm Kevin with John Wayne Service Company, and today we're back with the Sean Rima of KTSA Radio, where a few weeks ago we did a whole comfort system makeover. Sean, how's everything been? Well, before you answer that, why don't we go back inside and take a look at what we did. Okay, so what you can see right here, this is Sean's indoor unit, and basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking this indoor unit and relocating everything up into the attic. One of the main purposes of our air conditioning system is to remove heat and moisture from inside the house, and as you can see right now, we're sitting under one of the biggest heat producing appliances, the water heater. So Sean, what we're also going to be doing here is we're going to be replacing all the ductwork up in the attic. This is old, it's original. I can tell by the dust and the dirt on the grills that it's not sealed up properly. So what you're going to have is a brand new duct system that delivers total comfort through the entire house, and it's going to be sealed up to keep that dust and dirt from entering the house. Better indoor air quality for you. So Sean, what we're also going to be doing is we're going to be installing a brand new 16 SEER 2-stage heat pump system. So what you've got here is a 10-year-old basic single stage 2.5 ton. Your new system is going to be much more quiet. It's going to be more energy efficient, provide the best comfort inside the house for you. So Sean, one thing we want to do is take down this old wooden staircase and put in a brand new heavy duty staircase for safety, because we will be doing maintenance in the future on the system. We want to make sure that everybody that comes up here is going to be safe.
That's cool, man. That's very cool. Thank you.
So Sean, the system's been in for a few weeks now. Tell me how everything's been for you.
You know, it's like a whole new house. I mean, prior, every room was at a different temperature. There's a lot of dust and stuff in the air. We were always coughing. And now every room is cool. We can put it at precisely the temperature we want it, and it's very comfortable.
And everybody's happy.
Everybody's happy.
Once again, I'm Kevin with John Wayne Service Company. If there's anything that we can do for you, please give us a call or visit us at johnwayne.com.